the St. John's Recreation and Postal Center. Over here, where you're going to find the Levi and Boaz villas. Newly constructed area of St. John's, the village of St. John's. So I'm going to start taking a walk around here, and let's just take a look at their neighborhood pool. That's what this is. This is a Postal area. It's not very big. Not very big at all. I don't think they need to be big, but some of these areas look bigger than others, but we haven't walked around here yet to kind of really get a good look. I like the idea of having one centralized postal area. Gets rid of those ugly mailboxes at front of everybody's houses. Pool is currently locked up. See, there are plenty of tables and chairs, lounge chairs for laying out. I'm gonna get a rinsing showers. Off in the distance is gonna be a handicap area where somebody who's handicapped, confined to a wheelchair, can also take a dip. Kind of a small neighborhood pool, is not very big, but the lounging and the seating area is comparable to most other neighborhood pools. Very nice. You can see the beautiful pavers down below. Very nice area. Most of these neighborhood pools, you're going to have Coke machines, restrooms, drinking fountains. But as in any neighborhood rec center, if you want to call it that, you got a nice little walking area right here. Here's where the bulletin board is going to be placed for events, and other little public news flyers will be posted in here. All right, down here below, you've got cornhole games. And you'll have neighbors that get to sit and watch you do terrible at it. But then again, you might be one of those who do really good. So you get to show off. But to the people who are going to be in that house right there, and even over here, these houses right there, right here, it's going to get a good view of your retention pond, birds. There will be a gator in here at some point if there's not already. And right here at the back of this postal area, you can see there's a walking path. This walking path right here is not for golf carts, people. So I just want to reiterate that it is not a golf cart path. This is strictly for walkers, runners. I guess you could ride your bikes, but absolutely no golf carts. Very pretty because it goes all the way down. I can zoom in here a little bit. It goes all the way back. Got a view of a beautiful mature tree here. Some picnicking areas underneath a covered area right here, which is really nice. And looks like you're gonna get just one shuffleboard, and bocce court. Scorekeeping. I think they usually do more than one. Don't recall. You would think they need more than one, maybe two of each. But at the same time, I don't think these courts get used as often as people might think. Maybe they do. We'll take a walk behind the adult pool here. Get a little of this fella. Tell me if y'all know what that is. That right there is a fake owl. They put these in all the pool areas so when birds or other critters, I guess, that are afraid of an owl, if they see it, will flee. That owl's head's supposed to move around, but I don't see it moving. Maybe it's just not enough wind. There's the isolate going right there right now. It's nice and quiet at the moment, but that'll soon change. Well, while I'm here are the rules for the recreation and postal area right here. Well, there you have it. The St. John's, the village of St. John's Recreation and Postal Center. Not very big, but here it is. It should be open and in use sometime.